Hello everyone and welcome to Unacademy classes. My name is Abhishek Mishra and I am teaching you manufacturing. So in this class I will be discussing about important do's and don'ts, that is important things जो कि आपको करने हैं और जो कि आपको नहीं करने हैं when you are preparing for GATE examination and also when you are giving your GATE exam. So first of all we will start by introducing a bit about me. So I have secured All India rank 662 in GATE 2020, that is in this year's GATE exam, and I have completed my MTech from IIT BHU Varanasi in 2019, and I have good teaching experience of 2 years in mechanical engineering subjects. So just like the topic of this class, I will be discussing things that is common to the tips that is common to all subjects. So just listen carefully and implement them if you find them helpful, and believe me, they are helpful. And some of my interests are photo editing, video editing, cricket, football, and all sorts of games. So let's move forward. And first of all, just go to your respective app store and download this app. So Unacademy's app is absolutely free. So you should just go to Unacademy's website. There you can get a link, or you can just go to your respective app store to download this app. As you can see, the user interface and all the things are properly designed so that you get a complete experience in this app. All the things that you can see here, that is upcoming classes, scheduled classes, recorded classes, test, all things are accessible through this app itself. So this app gives you a lot of things to study from, to prepare from. So I think this app is one of the better things that you can use in your online preparation. And if you are finding this app helpful, then just use it and prepare, because at the end of the day, what you need to be prepared for GATE examination at your level best, and all the tools that you are getting, take advantage of that. Since this app is free, so you can just check it out before making commitment. So just go to your respective app store and download this app. Now the Unacademy subscription plan, we will be discussing about it. So first of all, these things that are listed, the features that are listed, are the benefits of the Unacademy's subscription plan. So Unacademy subscription plan has a lot of benefits, but what it is, Unacademy subscription plan is basically just like what you give into your coaching class or college or school for education. Similarly, you have to pay a fee for education or for online learning if you are going to learn from Unacademy's website. So this subscription plan is just like for example Disney Plus, Hotstar or Netflix, but there you are giving for entertainment content. Here you are giving for educational content. And since you are paying money, you are giving fees, you will be getting a lot of things in return. So your money will be well spent, because the features that are offered by the Unacademy's subscription plan are second to none. They are one of the best online learning platform that is there today. So the features, for example, daily live classes. So since the live classes are very important, because there you can get interaction with your educator and with other students. So this daily live class will help you study in more competitive environment, which will help you practice, and it will help you become more familiar with what you can expect from GATE examination. And also live tests and quizzes are there. So during a class, an educator can ask you a live quiz which you can answer along with the rest of the students. So there again, one of the better things is this interaction. And structured courses. So when you subscribe, you will find a lot of structured courses, and these courses will be just like your textbook, where you can find a lot of topics and subtopics listed properly in a progressive manner. The term progressive is very important, because what you need is during your online preparation, or when you are preparing for GATE examination, you need to just go from step by step. So you need to start from the bottom of your position of knowledge, and you need to just move forward by taking steps. So this progressive manner can be achieved properly if you are studying from the structured courses, and there are unlimited access of content. There is unlimited access. So if you are subscribing today, you will get all the contents that are recorded before your joining. So past archive recorded classes, you can watch them, you can learn from them, and all these things, these features, there are a lot of features which you can see by visiting their website or downloading their app, Unacademy's app. And above all these features, there is test series. So you will be getting test series, which is very important for your GATE preparation. Now Unacademy offers you to study from top educators. So what will happen is that when you are studying from top educator, you will study in a right possible manner, because GATE, there are a lot of things to study, and you need just a proper direction so that you don't wander off too far to study the topics that are not there or not very important for GATE examination. And overall, what you need to do is you need to revise all the things that you are studying. So you need that time also. So if you are studying in a efficient and the topics that are only important for you to score marks, then you will find that you have a lot of time for revision and giving test series and all that. So overall, what you need is, you don't need to study all day each day. You just need to study for a few hours every day for scoring a good marks in GATE examination. So you have to just take GATE lightly, and not lightly like you don't studying properly. With all honesty, you just need to take it like some examination that you have to give, and just prepare your best. Don't panic, don't be so much stressed that you are not giving your best. So that is the thing that you have to focus, and these top educators will just remind you, will just express you the things that are very important, or that are just you need to take care while your preparation. And all the subjects in GATE examination will have multiple educators for you to study from. So another nice benefit to have. Excuse me. So this is the code that you can see in the top left corner of the screen, ABHIMI. This code will give you 10% off, and this is the subscription price of Unacademy's Plus plan. So what is Plus plan? So Plus plan is just like a classroom experience in which you will be getting a chance to study along with the other students. So just like in classroom where a lot of students gather and study, similarly here in Plus subscription plan, a single class will be studied along with the rest of the students, or along with multiple students. So if you need a classroom experience, then this is the subscription price. And as you can see, 12 months, 18 months and 24 months payment are very affordable, because you are getting a lot of percentage or lot of discount. And above all this, if you want more discount, you can have this ABHIMI special code to get 10% off over this discounted prices which are already listed. So this discounted prices I am now going to show in your screen. So these are the discounted prices, and as you can see, 12 months, 18 months and 24 months prices are very affordable. They are very much valuable, because they are also include test series. And if you are preparing for GATE 2021, then it is better to have 12 months plan, because 2021 GATE examination, after that you need to focus on, you need to study, prepare for interviews and some other examinations. So 12 months plan will cover them, and you don't have to pay that much. So it is it is valuable. The value is there. You just need to select a plan which you are finding affordable and according to your need. And don't forget to enter this code ABHIMI to get 10% off, save a lot of money and start your preparation, since Unacademy is offering you a quality contents, quality test series. So just like your coaching or college or school, they're asking for a fees. So just provide them fees, and if this fees, after providing this fees, if you are subscribing this in Unacademy, and if you are finding that Unacademy is helping you, then it is very good, because ultimately what you need is you need to score good marks, and you need to use all the tools that are there in your reach. You should use them, and you should just prepare your in a best possible way and give the examination in a best possible way. So another subscription is Iconic subscription. This Iconic subscription is for those students who need personal coaching and personal test series and all the things like that. So this is the 12 months and 24 months payment available here. You can also join this in EMI options as listed or as written in the screen. And again, ABHIMI code, use it to get 10% off. This is the code again that you are using, and here is the discounted prices. This discounted prices you are getting after you have used this code ABHIMI. So again, affordable, because personal coaching and personal assistance you are giving, personal test series and notes, all that. So for that service, this price is very good. So you just need, if you need this personal experience, then just go to their website, check out for some other features and subscribe, and don't forget to use this code. So again, these are the benefits of Plus and Iconic that I have already discussed you. And ABHIMI 10% off, use this, start your preparation. Now the today's topic of this class is do's and don'ts for GATE examination 2021. So what I mean by do's and don'ts is there are some things that you need to take care, that you need to do for your preparation and for your during your GATE examination, and there are some stuffs that you don't need to do or you need to avoid while preparing and also while giving your test. So these things I will be just quickly going through. This class is not that big. We will be just quickly going through each of these do's and don'ts, and we will be discussing a little bit about them and why you should do it or why you shouldn't do a particular thing. So first of all, the first do is go through each topic in the syllabus at least once. So what you need is you need to go through each topic in the syllabus at least once. So why I am saying this is because if you are planning to skip a topic, then please don't skip a topic. At least go through it once, at least read it. If you are not going to just if you are not planning to give a lot of time, just read it, just go through it at least once. Because if an easy questions comes from that topic, which is just which you can just solve by going through it at least once, then you will find that if you have skipped that topic, then you will find very unfortunate that you didn't cover that topic. So go through each topic, just make sure that you have your syllabus while you are preparing, and just see what are the topics there in the syllabus and go through that each topic at least once. Just read it, just understand it, and just move on. If you are finding this topic not important, then don't waste much time, but at least go through it once. So this is the first do that you have to do. And now the thing that you don't need to do here is learn things other than what's there in the syllabus. So don't try to learn each and everything there in mechanical engineering. Only learn those things that are there in the syllabus, because what your aim is, you need to always remember it, that your aim is to score good GATE exam marks. So good GATE marks, for good GATE marks, you need to study all the things that are there in the syllabus and only those things. And if some topic comes from other outside the syllabus, then it is not your mistakes. Most of the students will not able to solve it. So you don't need to just focus on that. You just need to focus that you have to study the things that are there in the syllabus, and you don't need to focus on the things that are not there in the syllabus, because if you are going to focus on that things, you will find that the syllabus is very vast, and you will not be able to cover that thing in a given time. Because what you need is, after preparation, you also need to just revise them. And for revision, believe me, what you will do, I have prepared it, I have given examination. When you are revising, you are only going to study what's important. So you are eventually going to just not remember the thing that you have learned outside the syllabus. So from the get-go, remember, you don't need to just learn things outside from the syllabus. Syllabus is very important. You just need to follow it. You just need to study topics that are there in the syllabus only, and just go through them, each of the topic at least once. So this is the don't that you need to focus here in your while your preparation. Now you should make sure that you have prepared short notes and revise using them. So when you are revising, first you have to go through your notes, your your original notes that you have prepared during your online lectures and during your college or coachings or your Unacademy's class. So that full notes you have to just go through them one or two times, but after going through them one or two times, you need to just start revising using your short notes. If you are planning to revise from your full notes, then what you will find that there are a lot of things that you will be going through again and again, which will be unnecessary, which you are always going to remember because they are not that much of a big deal. So make short notes and revise using them, and make sure to make short notes in such a way that you cover a lot of things from the short notes only, and all the things are mainly formulas and all and are there in keywords. So don't, while making short notes, as the name suggests, write only the points which are necessary. Don't write full sentence. Just for example, if you want to write some advantage of, for example, a casting process, sand casting, just write sand casting, and in keywords just write advantage. Don't write full sentences. So make sure to prepare short notes and revise using them. This will come in most handy, or in the very much this is very much essential for you to revise from short notes when you are preparing a vast subject like SOM. So strength of materials, original notes that you will be preparing or you will be having during your lectures will be very long, and if you are planning to go through that very long original notes, full notes, every time you are planning to revise, then you will find that your revision will take a lot of time and it will not be that quick and that fruitful, and ultimately you will lose time. You will not be able to manage your schedules properly. So for subjects such as manufacturing, strength of material, the vast subjects, make short notes and revise using them. So you do need to join a test series and give as much as test as possible. So join a test series, and Unacademy is offering you a very good quality test series, and they are regularly updating it, adding new test series. So again, join Unacademy, subscribe to Unacademy, start giving test series, and use the code ABHIMI in capital letters to get 10% off. So why I am telling you to join test series? Because what the things that you are going to prepare, all the things that you are preparing or that you are studying from the online classes, at the end of the day you need to implement it. You need to use this when you are giving a test series. So you will find key what you are preparing is in a proper way or not when you are giving test series. So when giving test series, what you will find that you will sometimes not remember some formulas, you will sometimes make mistakes. So all this you will be doing that you need to learn from, improve from, and it is better to make these mistakes and this things that you are not going to remember this in your test series, and not in your final exam, not in your main gate examination. So when you are giving test series, also you need to focus that key what is the time management that you need to be learning, because when you are giving your gate examination, you should manage you have to manage time very properly, because there are a lot of questions and you need to just focus key what is the route that you are going to approach while solving questions, which questions you will do first, if you are going to do first 2 marks question or 1 marks question. So these are the things that you need to remember, and test series will help you a lot in preparing for such things, such circumstances. And again, excuse me. So again, test series are also going to help you understand the format, understand the layout, understand the calculator working, and overall you will have a familiarity while giving test series. So come gate examination, if you have given a lot of online tests, you will not panic as much, because you will be familiar after giving a lot of online tests. So again, do join a test series and give as much as test as possible, and make sure that this test series is not interfering with your revision. So just give test series, and Unacademy is offering again good quality test series, and they are regularly updating it, and therefore you should just visit their website and subscribe to them. And I have written a code, I have shared a code that you should be using if you want to subscribe and save 10%. So a lot of money will be can be saved if you use that code. So what you don't need to do is wait for the last moment to start giving test. So what I see what students do is they wait for the last moment. They think that after preparing all the things 100%, they will start giving test series, and they plan to give test series come now December and January. So what will happen is that December and January you will find a lot of things you have to revise, you will find a lot of things you have to study, because there are some things that will be left, because it usually happens. So I think you will not be able to find, probably you will not be able to give test when you are giving it as late as end December and January. And overall what you will find that your test series preparation or test series benefit that you should get, you can't get because of that late joining or late starting the test. So don't wait for the last moment to start giving test series. Give test series as soon as possible, and also from the test series you are just going to make your performance improve. So take test series or see test series like that they are a tool that you just need to use to make your performance improve. Don't make it some holy grail thing that you need to just do when you are 100% prepared. You just need to be 100% prepared for your GATE examination and not anything else. These are just to help you be prepared for that exam. So again, you need to do this thing. This is very important. You need to solve full previous year question papers. So if you are finding that you have some books where subject wise GATE questions are there, so what you need is, apart from that, you need to download GATE paper from the official GATE website. For example, you can download the GATE 2020, that is this year's question paper, in full PDF format, and then you need to just solve that full question paper from the starting and from the ending by allotting 3 hours in a timer. So just like your test that you will be giving in GATE exam, you need to just solve that full question paper with full honesty. And after solving this question paper, you will find that you are very well confident and you are much better prepared than before doing some of this question papers. So I think you should give question papers from 2016 at least. So 2016, from 2016 there are a lot of question paper. Just solve one question paper, one full question paper in 2 or 3 days, or you can solve even it in a week or so, or even 2 questions in a week will be fine. So solve that full question paper. You will find after solving full question paper, first you will see ki what type of the pattern, what type of the way the question is asking in the official GATE examination, and you will also be finding what mistakes you can make when you are giving that question paper, and also you will be solving multiple subjects in a single paper, so just like GATE examination. So that will also help you a lot. So again, one thing that you don't need to do here is you don't need to waste a lot of time solving a single question when you are giving a test series, and mainly when you are going to give your GATE examination. So don't waste a lot of time, because if you are wasting a lot of time, or if you are wasting a good amount of time in a single question, then after wasting the time, you will find that the rest of the questions, the rhythm will be broken, and therefore you will make mistakes which you shouldn't usually make. So don't waste time in a single question and let the rhythm break. Make sure, if you are give that question, if you are encountering a question which is hard, which is not, you are not going to solve it, you are not able to solve it, then you need to just give up some time, for example 2 minutes, 4 minutes, that are fine. But above 5 minutes, it is very much not good for your final score, because it will just break your rhythm, and it will make your overall GATE exam score a lot worse because of that rhythm breaking. So again, don't waste a lot of time answering or solving a single question. Don't take it upon yourself that you have to solve a single question just because this question seems easy, or just because you have studied it. You need to ultimately score good marks, so don't waste a lot of time answering or solving a single question. And what you do need to do is you do need to treat every question equally. So if you are wasting a lot of time in a single question, that you are not giving justice to all the other question. And remember, a difficult 2 marks question and an easy 2 marks question, both are very much identical, though both are very identical, or both are very important, equally important for you, because both contains 2 marks, and you don't need to solve a particular question to get 2 marks. You can solve any question to get 2 marks. So just concentrate on each and every question and treat them equally. And even you should treat 1 marks and 2 marks question equally, because that 1 marks is also very important, and it is as much as important as 2 marks question. So what will happen is that if you don't treat 1 marks question equally, for example, what you can do is, if you are not checking the answers of 1 marks question, or if you are not giving proper amount of time to solve 1 marks question, or if you are just solving the 1 marks question in a rush, then you can make mistakes probably in that 1 marks question, and that 1 marks question answer will be wrong, so you will not be getting that marks. So that 1 marks is very, very important, and they are equally important because they are usually takes less time and they are easier than 2 marks. So you should treat every question equally. Don't take it upon yourself to solve a particular question. At the end of the day, you need to just solve the question and score marks. And every question here, you need to just see them as 1 marks and 2 marks. Don't see a question by easy and hard, only see them that what they are giving. If all the easy questions that you are giving solving is giving you 1 marks or 2 marks, and some hard questions you are not going to solve, then it is okay, because ultimately that easy questions and some of the normal questions you are doing, you are just making marks from them. So that is all good and fine. And you don't have to take, and you shouldn't and you don't take mistakes lightly that you made in test. So there will be a lot of mistakes that you will made in test, that when you are giving your test series, and when you will give your test series, and this mistakes will help you improve. This mistakes will help you just be better prepared, because when you are doing mistakes and learning from them, then you will find that you are ultimately making your concept strong. So don't take mistakes lightly. After solving the class, just go through all your mistakes, and if you are finding that mistake very important or very crucial, then write it down in your copy. Make a separate copy for your mistakes that you made in test series or while solving GATE previous questions, and just go through that mistakes when you get time. So if you ignore the mistakes after giving test series, then you will then there is no benefit of giving test series if you are not learning from your mistakes, if you are not analyzing your performance, if you are not just making your speed better. So there is no need to give test series if you are not making this advantage, not taking the advantage of these things. So don't take your mistakes lightly, treat them in a way that they should be improving your performance. So also, do make sure to check units when solving and answering. So when you are solving a question, this thing is very important, because most of the times the easiest or silliest mistake that you can do is, apart from calculations, is that you don't check the unit in which the data is given or in which the answer is asked. So make sure before solving the question, for example, you calculated pressure. So before just writing down the answer, just check it down ki what you have calculated, the pressure is in the same units that is asked on the question, or if the units are not same. For example, question it may be asked that pressure in megapascal, but you have calculated pressure in Newton per meter square. So just change the unit, and also check the data. It is possible that some of the data is given in one unit. For example, some of the data is given in centimeter and particular data is given in mm. So use that, convert them properly, use them properly. So make sure, check the units of the data and also check the units of what is asked in the question. So do make sure to check units when solving and answering. And don't solve untidily. So when I gave one GATE exam, or when I gave GATE examination, one of the mistakes I made, I remember, which now during my that exam, is that I solve very untidily, and after that I make some mistakes because of the length of the question. So when you are doing rough work, the rough work should be also tidy, not that decorated, but it should be tidy. It should be such that all the things that you are solving, you can just go back through them when you are going, if you are not able to solve a question, or if you are going to just check the question for answer again, then you need to just see the tidy work. It is better to check out tidy work. It will ultimately save your time, and it can also it can also make your mistakes less likely to happen. And therefore, don't solve untidily. Solve it by preparing box or anywhere you can, but don't solve untidily. And last, the thing that I need to just here remind you, or I just need to discuss, is that you should be, that is the last thing that you need to do, is be calm and treat GATE as just an exam. Okay, so this is the last thing that I will be discussing, and you need to absolutely be calm and don't panic, and treat GATE as just an exam, because it is just an exam. You are just giving this exam to get a good MTech college, or you need to just give just giving this exam to get a good job. But this is just an exam. This is not something that you need to be stressed about every time. So just enjoy your preparation, and make sure that you are also doing other things apart from your preparation. And when you are preparing, when there is time to prepare, just focus on your study. But just make sure you are also giving time to yourself, and you are also taking care of your properly. So don't be stressed. Treat GATE as just an examination, because GATE is just an examination. So be calm and just enjoy your preparation. So that's it for today's class. And if you found this class helpful, if you found this tips and this discussion of do's and don'ts nice thing to have, so just like this video, hit the like button, and subscribe to this channel. And after subscribing to this channel, hit the notification icon, or hit the bell icon for notifications. So when you you should be getting notified when an educator will go live. And I will go live at around 2 p.m. So just make sure to attend my class regularly, so can you or live, so you can just ask me, or you can just discuss with me during the live class itself. And use this code ABHIMI to get 10% off. And subscribe to Unacademy. And as I have said, start giving test series, start your preparation, spend some money if you have, and just prepare from the best, and use all the tools, because ultimately what you need to do is you need to score good marks. So that's it for today's class. Thank you for watching, and happy Diwali to all of you. And just take care of yourself. And so that's it again. Happy Diwali and take care.